YouTube, what's happening, boys? It's your boy Freeze back with another video, back with another banger. Y'all see? Hey, look, we out here got the big cat in the background. That's my boy Sully car show. I'm finna walk around, show y'all some of these cars. More people pulling up. We just got here early. We're in the VIP section, man. We got the thing. You see, got Sun car right there, so you know we lit. You know we turned. We finna walk around, show y'all some of these cars, show y'all some of these bikes. They got food trucks out here. It's finna be a good time, man. I got some boys pulling up. This motherfucker finna be so lit today, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on TikTok. We almost at 10K on Instagram. We already over 10K on TikTok. But we need to hit 1,000 on YouTube. We need 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I think I'm at 600, almost 700. Hey, man, hit that subscribe button. And it's been a minute since y'all seen the cat. We just added some new features on here. Y'all see we got the carbon fiber rear diffuser. Carbon fiber rear diffuser. Y'all know we got the peanut butter guts on this thing. Big supercharger. We got the front lip. Now we missing the middle piece because we hit a tire, but don't worry. The new one will be here tomorrow, and we're gonna get that put on sometime next week. But y'all see it. The full thing is full carbon fiber also. Y'all see we got the old schools over here. They got them things lined up. 71 dump. Ooh-wee. Good guy. Dang, that engine crazy. That mother nasty. This all red go crazy, fool.
Crazy, bro.
This mug so nasty. Golly. No, he ripping. No, he ripping. These wheels go stupid too. This mug still looks so good, bro. For them to be able to keep these so clean and renovate them like if they do, these mugs so nasty. Nasty. I done seen this car a couple times.
I'm like have my brother this week. I tell everybody I do LSs and stuff.
This interior goes stupid. The interior is stupid on here. Oh my god. You got that big screen in there too.
So you see this screen right here?
Y'all, I didn't even see that. Dang. Y'all look through the window, man. Big screen in the back. That's a TV. Hey, can't even say it's a screen. That's a TV.
That's a TV.
Facts. All those speakers. Them are nasty. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Nah, you good, bro. If I move quick, you would have failed. So
Nah, for real. You stay right there? Well, it's clean. Bike is stupid.
Sun smells good.
Yeah. Somebody showed out here with that Duquesne. Track hawk, y'all. You don't really see too many of these, especially not white. R Corvette race. Brake doors.
I don't want that style on the old style.
Oh shit, man, we got not one, not two, but 3 cats in this bum. Hellcat Red Eye, Hellcat Durango. My boy Ryan done pulled up. Y'all see he got the AFP carbon fiber coat air intake, got the LED light up badge, blacked outside markers, and he got underglow. It's during the day, but at night, trust me, we're gonna get the visual with the underglow on here. Now look, he got the Joker all red interior on this thing, man. Y'all see it. All red interior seats. This mud. Oh, that boy Camel Cat in the building, bro. What's going on, man? Nah, this mine right here. Yes, sir.
How long you had it?
About 3-4 years.
Let's go mango.
Yes, sir.
Let's go mango, right?
Yes, sir. Let's go mango.
You know I am? Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
You sure are you?
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we back. Took a little intermission. I think some more cars gonna pull it up. So we got the track. Yes.
I know, man.
Yeah.
You might well leave the truck and turn here driving home.
Got more. Boy Bird done pulled up in the Cat Charger. Y'all see it right there. Go walk over here. Got some more cars. Cat Charger. Bikes. Rap crazy. Wide body. It's 5 right here. Another Scat Charger. Y'all go follow me on Instagram. Trucks lined up over here. Looks nasty. They got the Z06. The matte black. Mud nasty. Carbon fiber right here. Got the red interior in there. Mud nasty. Paramount Turbo S. We got down shift auto styling. These are people that put on my rear diffuser and front splitter. Make sure y'all go check them out. They do a lot of custom work. Star lights, body kits, wraps, all that, man. Y'all hit them up. Y'all see it, downshift auto styling. Downshift auto styling out here in Arkansas. They got the bikes lined up. This green one crazy. Take a look at that. Down to the wheels. Seat. Even the helmet. Grinch. Name on there. Boy right here. Y'all see it, man. Sunshine. Got the Kids Award. Red eye. See, got the top 20. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, it's the next day on a whole different fit. It's Sunday. That heat wore me out yesterday, so I had to go to sleep. I had to take a nap, and it turned into sleep. But yesterday was so lit, man. I appreciate all the people coming up to me, saying the car fire, saying my son car fire, and just appreciating the car, the interior, and all that good stuff, man. I really appreciate it. Shout out to King Sully. Shout out to Camera Cat. I watched this video this morning. He shouted me out, man. Put my Instagram on there as love, man. Having somebody with that big of a platform really down to earth and shout you out like that, it really means a lot. But hey, man, like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all follow Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. Just appreciate all the love that I got yesterday and the love to come, man. We going up on YouTube this year. We're going to be dropping more vlogs, so y'all stay tuned for more, man. Again, appreciate y'all. Your boy Freeze is out.